RIME Stock Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Algorhythm Holdings. I mean, this has been like one of the thicker symbol where it's still just bearish to me, and I'm gonna be perfectly honest. Like beforehand, I had this bearish bias and it took the lows out, so that's a W, and went up again. So can you guess what my bias on this is going to be yet again? Yeah, right, bearish. I mean, I've done 33,000 videos, and I'm not even exaggerating when I'm telling you I've seen this happen thousands of times. In an environment like this, 98% of the time the price goes down, and I don't want you to kind of listen to me as to listen to this and be like treat it as a gospel. No, please do your own due diligence. This is just my 2 cents, and it's all demo and simulated. So if I see a proper double break, then and only then maybe I'm going to take a short. But like anything else that's not going to be that, it's just like not a chart that I'm willing to trade. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. There is a free newsletter.